So with this fish in the pads, absolutely critical that you have a heavy action rod, a really tough reel, braid. I got 65-pound braid, super heavy duty hook. I've got about a 1 ounce weight, and then one of these good flipping baits. And then when you feel the bite, you got to set the hook, because you're going through about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch of bait, plus the fish's mouth. Plus you're in pads and all kinds of other mess. So you got to really get it on, and then you got to control that fish. Do not let pressure off. I violated that today and lost, I don't know, really large fish once. So just keep the pressure on the fish, flip them in the boat, and go on to the next one. Broke my rod. Holy cow, look at that. Whoa, broke my rod. Whoa. That's awesome. Woo, 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 woo. Awesome. Like I said, you got to keep the pressure on those fish. That thing was a pig. Was ripping through those pads. I was afraid if I let it off, I wasn't going to make it, so I tried to flip it in, and just a little over the limit for flipping. Woo! Okay, well, I can afford a new rod on that one. Okay, the other key thing you got to have when you're doing this is a talon or a power pole. I've got 12 to probably 18 mile an hour winds today. Without that power pole, I've just been ripping through here, so that really made a huge difference. I've got an 8-foot talon, sitting in maybe 4 foot of water. This is fantastic. So, what a freaking day.